Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Patty and I tend to post mommy, baby, and lifestyle videos. So if you're into that, just keep watching. And today I have my makeup collection declutter. I have makeup in the bathroom, in my bedroom, but I always get ready in the bathroom. So I really want to make sure I have all the stuff that I'm currently using in there. So I brought everything in here because I figured it would make it a lot easier to go through and reorganize. So a long time ago, I tried to put the big organizer up onto the shelf, but it was way too heavy. So I kind of need to go through all of this, and I brought out that other clear container. I might put my brushes in there and just kind of reorganize, see what I want, see what I don't want, get rid of everything. I have a little bin over here where I'm just going to put all the stuff that I'm getting rid of. And I also brought in like my cleaning spray because everything needs to be wiped down. It's so gross. So yeah, I'm going to just set this up and just kind of go through everything. So far I went through the drawers like real fast. Like I pulled out all of this so far that I know I'm gonna get rid of. Like, so a lot of this is like super old. Like this, I mean, this is Victoria's Secret makeup. Like I don't even remember the last time they had these. This is something I actually didn't like. It's a Physicians Formula bronzer. It says light to medium. Like the color was fine, but it was like a shimmery bronzer, so I'm not really into it. Let's see what else we got in here. This is super old. This is a NARS, what is it called? Like a multiplier. It's in Portofino. The color is really nice. Like, it's really pretty, but it's so old. Like, I don't think I'd want to put this on my face, especially since it's a cream. These two, I used to love. Maybe because they're old. This is the Maybelline Concealer, and I have both of them in 15 Fair. The color just doesn't look right on me anymore. Maybe I'm a little tanner, hopefully, fingers crossed, probably not. But I just don't like the color on me anymore. So, and you can tell they were well used. So they were gonna end up in empties anyways. This I liked a lot when I first got, but it's also in the color Ivory. It's just a stick foundation. I don't have a lot left, but I don't really like it too much anymore. Like I never use it, so I'm just gonna toss it. It's just taking up space in my everyday makeup. What else? Oh, this is also a million years old. This is a NARS blush. It's in Luster. Loved this color. Like, how pretty is it? But it gets so hard to use it up when it's like I've hit so much pan on it. So I have a million of these Wet n Wild lipsticks, which I love. They're like the perfect matte lipstick. They're great, but I haven't used them in a million years. And a lot of them have gotten funny. So I'm just gonna toss all of these. Like I have so many colors. This, I would try to make it work. It's the Becca, what is this? It's the Under Eye Brightening Concealer. I tried to make it work so many times. It's like kind of like a pinkishy color. And it just doesn't work. It's so thick under the eyes. Like, I don't know how people like this. This is also a million years old. I'm not going to throw this away. I'm just going to keep the container. I'm just going to clear out any of the remaining cream. But, oh my gosh, I like bought this back when I was like, I don't even know. It was one of those things, I just was obsessed with Chanel and I just had to buy anything that was Chanel. And I just loved it. Like, this stuff it smells amazing and it works amazing. It's very pricey, but it's a really good cream. I don't know if they still make it anymore, but yeah, I love it. But I think I'm just going to clean it all out and just use it as like a display piece because it's so cute. What else? I bought this because it was such a rage. Like this, like, what is it? The eyeshadow primer from Urban Decay. But I don't know. I could never get into it. A lot of these that are left are like pencils and stuff, like blue eyeliner, which I'm never gonna wear, and a lot of just lip liners that I've never really used. Like but at this point, I'm just way too lazy to use lip liner, and they're all pretty old. A lot of my makeup is just extremely old. It just needs to go. Oh, here's two more of those. They're from Victoria's Secret, like way back in the day. I loved them. You can't even see, I think it says Beauty Brush on here, but it's so rubbed off at this point. Like they're just a million years old. They gotta go. I have to throw this away. It's like one of those eyebrow razors, and you can like, you know, shave off the hair on your face. That just made me break out. I don't know what it is. Even no matter how clean my face was, it just never worked out right. This one, I really like the color, but it got like funny in the tube. It's a ColourPop liquid lipstick. These are just more of those Wet n Wild lipsticks that gotta go. Like they just got really funny. Oh yeah, there's another one. I don't really do my eyebrows anymore, and this is just one of those, it's NYX, and it's just an eyebrow shaper, you know, like it's just like a waxy crayon that kind of holds your eyebrows in place, but I don't really use that anymore. So I got this as a free sample. It's the Benefit, what is this one? It's the Benefit WhatsApp, and it's just like a cream highlighter. It's so small, like seriously, how am I gonna, like this is ridiculous. So I'm just gonna toss it. I've never used it, and I've had this sample for a very long time. This is like a tinted eyebrow gel. I don't know, I'm not a big fan of it. I put it on right now, but I don't know. This is like a black lipstick. Like if I need it for Halloween, I'll just rebuy it, because this is literally from like high school. So that was way too long ago. I tried this. It was like from e.l.f. It was $1. It's like I think it's like a glitter mascara, but it didn't really work too well. I had plans for it, but it didn't work as I planned. So I'm just gonna toss it. At this point, it should go. It's a Soap and Glory. It's like a chapstick. It was really good and it's cute, but it's just disgustingly old. Like so much of my makeup is disgustingly old. And then I tried this once or twice. It was nice, but I just don't use it, and I'm not into hair oils. And then I am sad to get rid of this. So this is the MAC Cinderella collection. Maybe I'll just keep it as a display piece, but it just does not work at all. Like really pretty, shimmery, but like you can't get any product up. Like and I tried to use it, you can see, but it just does not work. That's all the stuff I've gotten so far. I still have this to really go through and just organize, and I need to really redo this, like my everyday makeup. So yeah, let me just try to reorganize this area. I put this back in the room, I'm going to quickly go through this little acrylic container. I have my lipsticks on top. Clearly there's so much more room now, but at least these are all the ones that I really like. And in the first drawer, I didn't really get rid of anything. It's kind of all the same eyeshadows. I figure I like to kind of like switch them around, so you know, I figured I would just hold on to those for right now. And then in the second drawer, I really cleaned it out. I moved the other, like my second foundation into here since I don't like it as much. The color doesn't match me as well anymore. And the little bronze, the BB bronze, because I used to kind of mix these two together and just have like clippers, kind of random stuff. And then all of my pencils are in here now, so kind of ones I don't use as often, and extras. Down here, I didn't get rid of too much either. I kind of have like my bold colors. I use a lot of darks during the fall. And then kind of some little overflow. I might actually go back eventually and get rid of the ColourPop ones, the liquid ones. I don't know. They seemed a little funny when I was swatching them. And then down below, this part pretty much stayed the same. It's kind of, there's like a little palette underneath. It's like face paint stuff. So this is more the face paint. This pink thing is also face paint. That's my Flash palette. And then I just have like, you know, my other randoms. I was using this palette so much. Like I know I've hit pan on a couple of them and I was going to try to go through it, but I don't know. I need to switch it up. So I took that out of my everyday. And then this is what's left in this drawer. And this all stayed the same. I kind of just brought these in because I didn't know what I was going to do with my brushes. I do have extra room, so maybe I'll go through and put a couple more of the brushes in here, but I'm not really too worried about that right now. Ooh. Oh, actually, this can get tossed. I've never really used it. It's just a like nude color pencil for in there. So yeah, this is gonna get tossed, and the only other things that I'm getting rid of are these. I never use this eyeshadow anymore. This, I mean, I have like a billion of them. I might as well just toss that already. And this one, when I was swatching, like it was like coming up gray, and it's supposed to be black, and it's this like NYC liquid liner. So I'm just gonna toss that one. I'm still undecided what I'm gonna do with this. I might just stick it in here for right now. Okay, so let's look at the finished product. Yeah, here it is. Didn't change anything up there. But now this looks a little bit more cleaner, and you can see I put the little Chanel one right there. I had to. It's so cute. Like, I'm never throwing that away. But yeah, I just redid this little, I have my lipsticks, pencils, and then more lip products. And then this is just a liquid highlighter. All things that I like, I just never use because they're in the other one. And then I have my foundation, primers, that all stayed the same. The only thing I really added over here was another like liner. This, and then 2 more lipsticks. But yeah, I got rid of like the mess that was back there. I just have my loose powder, which I'm not too fond of, but it's whatever. I don't really use it that often. Okay, so it is all completed. It looks so much better, like so much neater. And I have all of the things that I use every day. I have everything that I really love in here. And that's really what I want. Like, I don't want to have to be like searching for something or forget something in my bedroom. So yeah, I'm glad it all worked out well. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And also if you want me to incorporate more like makeup videos into my channel, leave a comment down below so I know to make more of these type of videos. So yeah, thanks again for watching. Bye, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.